Okay, so we're like about to go into this abandoned house, and we're so scared. Like, I'm thinking if we should. It's so cold in this. Fuck, it's locked. Oh, they boarded it up. I don't think we're gonna be able to get into that way. Never been in this house before, but I heard that this girl